Hey guys, what's up? It's been a while, but I'm finally back down on the property. Today, I decided to get serious and go ahead and take the chainsaw. Game plan is get rid of these bigger trees. Just see some progress. I know it's not the best way to go about it, but I need some motivation. I need to see progress. Anyway, guys, yeah. Okay, guys, so I got a small little section, and unfortunately my chain slipped. So I got to fix that real quick. Anyway, basically what I'm doing, I got this little section done. I'm going to work my way up, clearing the bigger trees with the saw, moving them to the side, hopefully making a decent little path. So eventually we'll be able to see the house. Well, guys, it's now tomorrow morning, which would be today. Anyway, between technical malfunctions of the chainsaw And Mother Nature out there this morning. Yeah. Well, that put an end to the video. But anyway, yeah, I kind of feel like I owe you guys a part 2. Sorry if the video's a little short, but life happens. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a good one.